Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Vietnam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Okay, so we're here in Vietnam. We're in the Moonlight Hotel and Suite. It's in Da Nang. So just to kind of give you a little bit of idea, this is where I'm going to be showing this video. I'm going to definitely show this. This is this nice view. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Da Nang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you the room, and then I'm also going to, this is the bathroom right away. There's actually, I can actually look through there in the bathroom, and I also have a big tub right there as well. And I can get another view of that side of the city. And you have this kind of nice square one as well, so you can use either one. And then I have some cabinet space. So we have our little locker down there, clothes hanger. So there's some space for somebody to, I usually put all these here. These are just the blankets and stuff, you know, that people, they usually don't wash. So I just usually put them in a corner, don't touch them again. And then you have this big giant space for kind of a living room. And then the bedroom is kind of is definitely the key feature. And got one giant bed that connects to the bathroom. I can also pull down a blind, but I like to have it open. And then I have this corner room. So maybe I got a little bit lucky. If I could remove this right here, then it'd be even better, because then it would have a corner like that. And let's just show you what's on here. First I'll start on the corner side. So this looks kind of the downtown. There's mountains in the background, and I'm up on the 14th floor. So I was lucky I got a corner room. I did ask for upper upper floors, and I did look. I usually like the ones where I can get stuff like this. That right there I think is the Dragon Bridge, I think it's called, but there's a dragon look to it. And that goes to the beaches. I'm on the riverside, I guess. Like so that other across the bridge, not too far away, would be the ocean. And I intentionally wanted to be on this side so I can see more what the downtown looks like. And I'm gonna be bringing the camera down there, and we're gonna walk around and just kind of give it an idea of what it looks like around in the hotel room. So anyways, around the hotel. So, and this is the hotel room. Okay, so let's show you more around here. But this is where we're gonna start at, with the room. Moonlight Hotel, Danang, Vietnam. Okay, so I have the corner room here. This is yet another corner room. It looks like that. So they have the, so if somebody was looking for a corner room, 1401, 1402. And then this is not the corner room. So yeah, I guess it makes a big difference. That corner room is, yeah, big difference. And this is the hotel lobby. Not the lobby, sorry. The stairwell right here. And you can also walk up the steps. So if we're gonna go down. 14th floor, elevator. We go in. And there's also like some massage rooms, party, gym room, okay. Buffet. So that's kind of some of the stuff in here. This is part of the lobby. Moonlight Hotel. Let's just go out the music. Okay, so let's show you. There's the logo. There's the massage. Last time when I came in, they thought I was getting a massage, but I was going to my room. Coffee shops right across. And this is the street that I'm on. So let's take a look in Moonlight Hotel. So I'm way up there on the 14th floor in the corner. So it looks like there's, I guess that's the stairwell right there. So I had the corner room, and then the other one you saw was up there, but I was up near the top. I think it's the 17 floors, I think, 17, 18. And I was on the 14th. Lots of scooters. So let's just kind of walk around the corner, and then you can get a context of the room and what's around here. Here's some banh mi bread. Music back there for rent or to buy. Anyways, that's Moonlight, and this is the corner where we're at. Nice sidewalks. We're just gonna go across and we can show you what it looks like from over there. So this is the corner street that we're on. Right there. Well, Vietnamese person probably in the rice fields for most of her life. You used to see that a lot when I was in South Korea in the 1990s. Hunched over from years of hard work. And that's their Moonlight Hotel right there. So that gives you a little bit of context of the street where we're at. Okay. Just to give you some context, that's my hotel right there, that big white one right there called Moonlight. So, and now I'm at the riverfront, so I just walked not too far away. There's some pizza pasta, coffee, Highlands, and then right down this way is where the riverfront is at. So I thought I'd just put a little ending to it just to give you some context. Can you see the river right there? Let's go over there. And there's the river, so you can see the dragon right there. And then that's my street, Hong Kong, the one that leads to my Moonlight Hotel, which is directly that way. And we're gonna end the video. Moonlight.